Starting this project, I had many questions, but the first most obvious question I had was what is your ACL and why is it important? ACL stands for anterior cruciate ligament. In your knee, you have 6 different ligaments. All of them are tasked with supporting the knee. The ACL can be found in between the femur and the tibia. The main job of the ACL is to keep the tibia from sliding ahead of the femur. If this happens, total knee damage occurs and knee replacement is needed. My next question was, how does normal tissue regenerate? Once tissue is torn, the plasma in the blood and the cells near the infected site start to pour out an adhesive substance called fibronectin. After fibronectin has covered the wound, platelets from the bloodstream stick themselves to the wound and form a blood clot. After that, small proteins move along the scaffold and stimulate cellular regeneration. The cells then start regenerating, and what is left is a scar. The big question in this project is, why can't the ACL heal itself? When the ACL tears, fibronectin is once again brought to the affected site, or tearage, but inside of the knee joint is synovial fluid. Synovial fluid is made up of hyaluronic acid, C28H44N2O23, lubricant, which is a glycoprotein, and 2 different enzymes, proteinase and collagenase. Since the synovial fluid is acidic, it breaks down the fibronectin. This causes the platelets and stimulant proteins to float near the ACL but never stick. This doesn't allow the ACL to regenerate. After some research, I found many standard techniques for ACL reconstruction. When the ACL tears, the surgeons have to find something similar to the ACL to replace it with. Humans have a long band that stretches the whole length of their thigh. It is called the iliotibial band. It's mostly used for support of the knee, but isn't very helpful. Surgeons will extract your IT band and cut it into the precise size and shape of your ACL. They will then sew or screw it into place, and you have an ACL again. Sewed versus screwed. There are many differences between having your tendon graft sewed rather than screwed. For starters, when you screw the graft into your knee, you can walk 2 weeks post-operation, but when you get it sewed, you can walk 6 weeks post-operation. When you have graft screwed into place, you have a higher chance for arthritis, rather than if you had your graft sewed. Both cause weakness from where your graft was taken from, and both have a chance for arthritis. The summer after I got ACL reconstruction surgery, I saw a video which showed a new way to reconstruct your ACL. Martha Murray at Boston Children's Hospital created something called Bridge Enhanced ACL Reconstruction, which uses a protein sponge to regrow your ACL. The surgeon places the protein sponge in between the torn ends of your ACL. Then they will collect some of your blood, which contains all the ingredients for blood clots: the fibronectin, the platelets, and the stimulant proteins. The blood is then put into the sponge, which creates a blood clot, allowing the ACL to regrow itself. This new technique for ACL reconstruction seemed cool to me, but I didn't know why we needed a new way to construct ACLs. So I asked the question, what are the benefits of BEAR surgery? For starters, there's a very low chance of arthritis, unlike tendon graft reconstructions. Another benefit is shorter recovery time overall, because you don't need to recover from the weakness of the tendon graft. The last benefit is you can tear your ACL as many times as you can afford, because you will never run out of tendons to turn into tendon grafts. For more information, try this video. Sorry this took so long. My phone died and it had the link on it. Thanks for watching.